Hello, I am exploring the Quizmaker plugin and customized as per custom requirement. Let's start. First, we have to install this plugin. After installing this plugin, we will get an option which is a WP quiz custom and another settings page option. Here we will get all the necessary settings in this page, and this another menu. Here we will get all the quiz results and analytics. Okay, so let's create a quiz. First, add new quiz. Here we will keep a title of the quiz, so basic. Okay, then we can choose here some mode. Okay, also all of the mode has a preview. Which mode we want to, we can choose here. Okay, this one and this one also with back button, and this one is right wrong. I'm choosing this. Actually I'm choosing this one. Okay, then right now I don't have any category, so I can skip this, and here I can give a sample description of this quiz, and let's give a name. As you can choose it is letter. Okay, and save. Okay, quiz created. Okay, now we have to add questions from the questions area. Let's add in questions. From here we'll get option add question. Also, if we have another site, we can directly import data from here. Okay, and here option to edit quiz, short quiz, and copy question from another quiz. Okay, now I am adding add new question. Let's add the question title, and here we can set point each for each question. Okay, by default 1. We can add any question mark here. Okay, then this is the question. Basically it is the title, optional, we can skip this, but this is required question. And add the correct answer field. Here we can give this answer. It is a single choice. We can choose here multiple choice, free choice, sorting, matrix, or any assessment here. And here we can set the correct answer. Okay, then we can add another new answer if we want from here. And this one is the correct one we have choose. Okay, I have added 3 question here, 3 answer here, sorry. And if we want to give any message for incorrect answer, then we can give this one, but this is for correct. It is optional. We can we don't want to give any message who answered the correct. Okay, if you want, you can set. Okay, then save. Okay, this one added. Now I want to add another question. Same as I'm setting here this one correct as a correct answer. Now another option I am adding. And save. Okay. Here for a specific quiz we have option. We can get many option from the results tab for a specific quiz. Here we can enable the graduation system, average point, category score, correct answer display, quiz display, high score display. Also some more option, hide quiz title option, hide restart quiz button we can disable from here, and hide the view question option also we can hide from here. And another option, question will be shown randomly. You can, and this is answer will be shown randomly each time option. And we can sort question by category option here, and we can enable statistics here. And if another option, if we enable this option, it will be execute one time only. And in this option for show only a specific number question, requisition question overview, auto start option is there. And another option, important option, you can, if you want, you can enable this for only registered user, show point number, and more many option here available, you can check. And this is a leaderboard. If we enable this, then we'll get data from our dashboard and leaderboard area. Here you can manage this as user. I have set for all user, and also I set option insert automatically, data will be automatically added. Then save. Now again restart the quiz. Let's start. And this one, finish the course. Okay, now I got 100%. Let's start again. See here all results. If we want to show anywhere the leaderboard, we can use this shortcut. Also you can visit question wise leaderboard from here. Here we can enable the average point showing option. Let's save. See, average score showing and my score showing here. Okay, see right now the quiz data, answer data showing here in the all results area. Also we can check for from a specific leaderboard. See, course wise also we can see the result, and also we can filter the result. And if we want to make any user dashboard where user can also show their results, how many courses or quizzes she attended, and his history, then we can use another shortcut, which is that's it. Now it should work. See, on the personal username, user can visit his personal data from this. Okay, this is a custom feature where user can visit his all the quiz history from here. Okay, so that's it. If you need any help or any question, just feel free and reply and contact with me. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.